everyone! If you are still sitting in front of your monitor for 10 hours a day, drawing support and resistance levels, then I have news for you. It is 2026, and while you are looking for an entry point, thousands of autonomous AI agents have already entered the trade, secured the profit, and moved liquidity to the next gem. We have officially moved into the era of the machine economy, where the human factor in trading is no longer just a weak link, but a direct threat to your deposit. Today, we are going to break down how the new generation of AI agents work, why old trading bots are no longer relevant, and how you can make the neural network work for you while you sleep. Let's get straight to it. How does an AI agent differ from the regular bot we have been used to for the last 5 years? An old bot is just an algorithm that acts according to a rigid scenario. If the price drops by 5%, start buying. An AI agent in 2026 is a full-fledged cognitive unit. It does not just track the price. It reads company reports in real time, analyzes the sentiment of posts on X and Threads, tracks whale wallets through on-chain metrics, and most importantly, it is capable of making the decision to change strategy itself. This is not a program. It is your digital employee that lives on the blockchain. But before we dive into complex protocols and developing your own agents, it is important to understand what infrastructure to use to implement this. For most of us, a trusted exchange remains the gateway to this world. I personally use Bybit for liquidity management and AI strategy execution. Why Bybit? Because in 2026, they became leaders in implementing neural networks directly into the interface. Their updated TradeGPT is not just a chatbot, but a full-fledged analytical hub. You can request a deep audit of any asset, and the system will collect data on volatility, volume, and even technical risks of the smart contract in seconds. Plus, Bybit has an excellent line of bots based on AI Aurora, which automatically selects parameters for grid trading based on the market context of the last 7 days. If you are a beginner or just value your time, this is the easiest way to delegate the routine to algorithms. And let me remind you that using my link in the description, you get access to an exclusive welcome rewards package and reduced commissions, which is critical for high-frequency bot trading. Register, pass KYC, and start testing the AI tools today. Now back to the technology. Several key directions are currently dominating the market. The first is the Agentic Web. Imagine protocols like Bit or the updated ASI Alliance, where hundreds of specialized neural networks learn from each other. One agent predicts BTC movement, another analyzes risk management, a third looks for arbitrage windows between DEX on Solana and Base. They exchange data, and you can rent their computing power to manage your portfolio. The second powerful theme is launching agents based on LLMs directly in the blockchain environment. Now you do not need to write code in Python. In 2026, platforms appeared where you create a trading agent in plain English or any other language. You literally tell it, watch for the launch of new meme coins on Pump Fun, check them through audit checkers, and if the trading volume exceeds $1 million in the first hour, buy for 0.5 SOL. And it does it? This is the democratization of trading that we have been waiting for. But it is important not to get caught in FOMO and not to forget about the risks. The main problem of 2026 is the battles of AI agents among themselves. When thousands of neural networks see the same opportunity at the same time, they can instantly dry up liquidity or trigger a sharp squeeze. We see the market becoming more efficient, which means the space for simple manipulations is shrinking. To win, your agent must have access to better data or work faster than competitors. What do I recommend doing right now? First, stop perceiving crypto only as buying tokens. Think of it as buying technology. Tokens of projects that build infrastructure for AI agents, such as Teo, FET, or Render, are the foundation of your portfolio. Second, start practicing. You do not need to give the neural network your entire balance at once. Allocate $100 or $200, launch a basic AI bot on Bybit, and see how it adapts to volatility. Understand the logic of decision-making. The 2026 crypto market does not forgive slowness. While some argue whether it is a bubble or not, others are setting up their machine-to-machine systems and taking profits. Remember that AI agent technology is your lever, and either you use this lever or it will run over you. In future videos, we will break down how to build your first agent based on LangChain specifically for the DeFi segment. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and write in the comments whether you trust your money to neural networks or still believe in the power of your technical analysis. See you in the next episode.